Okay, today we are going to add this feature here. Gonna make the aliens go down, and when they collide with the ship, a text here will appear with game over. So let's see how to do it. And so in the alien class, we will add this update method, and we have this global variable directs that is intended to move all the aliens in the same direction. And then we have this go down function here that will bring the alien down when they go to touch the boundaries on the left and on the right. And there is this collide function here, method, in which when a ship collide with an alien, the direction will be 0. The aliens will stop. And then we have in the while loop, we have this way to check if the aliens touches the left part of the screen or the right part of the screen, and they invert their direction when they touch them. Then I have this right function here that I use it to render the text on the screen. And so first I create a font with pygame.font.sysfont in Arial 16, and then in the collide method that we have seen before, I add this call to this method self game over. In the self game over, so when the ship and an alien collides, I will create this surface text calling the right function over here that returns a surface with a rendered text, and I will get the rectangle here of the text. So the x and y, the top left coordinates, and width and height. So I will put the center of the rectangle in the center of the screen, so that is the width of the screen divided by 2 and the height of the screen divided by 2. And then I will bleed this game over here. I could have written also just text this thing here. So this is not, I can just write text here. And so I will use textrect this rectangle here to position it in the middle of the screen. And that is everything for this update of the alien. So they are not just moving from left to right, but they also go down when they hit the wall, and they detect when they hit the ship, and they stop then, and then a text here appears on the screen.